Hey everyone, Brian here from Las Vegas Glamour Boudoir. In today's video, I will introduce you to the world-famous Las Vegas Strip Escort card game, the rules on how to play, and the best locations on the Las Vegas Strip to collect and create an escort card deck. Before we get started, please take a second to like and subscribe. This will provide me the motivation to continue making Las Vegas Strip walking videos at all hours of the day and night. Truly appreciate your help. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need an escort card deck. Just like a regular deck of cards, you will need to collect 52 escort cards. It may sound like a lot to get, but trust me, it's very easy to get well over that amount in just one walk on the Las Vegas Strip by yourself. How to collect Las Vegas Strip escort cards. Although you will collect a lot of escort cards during your strip walk, in certain spots on the strip, they cannot be passed out. To find these cards, simply look for the people wearing the bright fluorescent colored t-shirts. They will be holding stacks in their hands and will be slapping or clicking the cards. If you are a man, they will be offered to you as you walk by. If not, simply nod your head in acknowledgement and stick out your hand as you walk by. You will immediately be passed 4 to 5 escort cards. If you are a woman, they will not be offered to you. However, just make eye contact with the smut peddler, nod your head in acknowledgement, and stick out your hand as you walk by. You will then be passed 4 to 5 escort cards. It takes a little more effort if you're a woman, but it's still easy to do. Best locations to collect Las Vegas Strip escort cards. Although you will find a couple of outliers, the majority of escort cards will be found on the east side of the Las Vegas Strip at 3 main choke points where people are stuck at a very long traffic light waiting to cross Las Vegas Boulevard without using the pedestrian bridges. The first hotspot is between Planet Hollywood and the Paris Hotel and Casino. Many people are stuck waiting at this crosswalk to get to or from the Bellagio. At this location, you will easily find 5 to 6 people passing out escort cards. It doesn't matter if they see you take some cards from another person. They will still pass about 4 to 5 cards to you. The next hotspot is between the Flamingo and the Link, right by the Link Promenade. You can usually find a couple escort card slappers here, but this area is mostly filled with costumed women in police or cowgirl outfits, begging for a few dollars for you to take a picture with them. Many people are waiting at this crosswalk to get to or from Caesar's Palace. The last hotspot to find and collect Las Vegas Strip escort cards is between Harrah's and Casino Royale to get to or from the Mirage. This location usually has 1 or 2 people passing out escort cards. Sometimes you can find more card clickers at the next traffic signal near the Venetian Hotel and Casino. At this point, you should have collected 50 to 60 Las Vegas Strip escort cards. If you want more, simply walk the same path heading back to your hotel room. You will encounter the same people again, but they don't mind. They will still pass you more escort cards for your game. How to play the Las Vegas Strip escort card game. If you've ever played the card game War, this game is very similar. First, separate your escort cards. The majority will be the size of a playing card. You should also have a few smaller size cards with a price of $150, and maybe one card that looks a little like this. You will need to count out 50 of the standard size cards and 2 of the smaller $150 cards. Next, place 2 of the smaller sized cards randomly into the deck. Shuffle it a couple times and evenly pass out your cards to your opponent and yourself. The object of the escort card game is to win all of your opponent's cards. The game begins by placing your top card down against your opponent's. Whoever escort charges the most is the winner. Some cards have different dollar amounts on each side. If it does, you can decide which side to play. Once an escort card is placed down, it cannot be flipped over. If you and your opponent both place escort cards down that charge the same amount, a party breaks out. Your escort calls 4 of her friends to join in on the love fest. The highest price escort on the 4th card will determine the winner. Whoever has the highest price escort wins all the cards. If the prices are the same again, another party of 4 cards are played, with this new 4th card deciding the winner. The party continues until the winner is decided with an escort that charges the most. If a player does not have enough cards for the party, They must play their last card as their deciding escort. If there is another party, the player with no remaining cards will lose the game. A player can also win the game by winning all of their opponent's cards. So there you have it, the Las Vegas Strip Escort card game. You can change the rules to this or change the game completely. It's up to you. Have fun with it. Are you going to create your own escort card deck and try this game when you come to Las Vegas? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever done this before? Or what kind of game did you create with these escort cards? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to be extra awesome, hit the subscribe as well. As always, thanks for watching.